Let's say we have this new planned item to support pagination. Then you might want to put some requirements in the task description, right? Like the requirements like this, or you can add it like Markdown like this. And you can even add Figma designs. So if I go to Figma and copy a link to the selection of this component, I can just embed it right in the requirements. There you go. You can also zoom in to see it a bit closer. You can do the same for YouTube videos as well. So let me copy this link.
Most stand-ups blur together.
If you don't want that, you can just paste a link as well. That completely works too. You can also add some tasks, which are not tasks like these, but these are just simple to-dos. And you can nest them as well. That's easy for if you don't want to create a full task for everything. Like if you just have some bullet points of things you would like to add to this particular task. You also have the basic stuff like bold, which you can do with shortcuts or with this menu. Same with strike through, italic, code. You can change the background color. And you can also drag around. And then at last, you can also use Mermaid even. So here's a Mermaid, which you can edit like this. So let's move this to done as well. And then the diagram updates. Also, if you have copied a link of some task or initiative in One Horizon that you do have access to, and you paste it, it automatically formats it. And it will show the status. And then if you click on it, you can directly open it.